about few fashion mistakes which I have made myself, and I just wanted to discuss with you these mistakes which are very common, and we do make these mistakes and we don't even realize this. So let's figure this out. So the first mistake which I have often seen many women making is wearing shoes or heels of a wrong size. In fact, मैंने भी बहुत बार किया है. Like I've purchased something which is not comfortable, and if you wear something which is not comfortable, you'll not feel confident from inside. So try to purchase something which is your size and which is in your comfort thing.
We all love shopping. Like we go to a store, we try them, and we just buy them. But what happens after wearing them for a long day? We can see a tiny little gap between the shoe and the heels, and this really does bring down the entire look. And even we don't feel confident, and we don't feel comfortable in that heel. So what I feel like. Even though a person is polished from top to bottom, but if your shoes doesn't fit right, so sometimes it makes the person not walk really well. So it is really very important to wear the shoes of your size. And one more thing, the comfort is the key. If you are not okay wearing steel toes or something like pointed pumps or like that, so try to wear something more comfortable like knitted heels or block heels or flats. So try to be more balanced with comfort and fashion thing, because it is really important. If you feel comfortable, you'll be more confident. And one more thing, this is really important to clean your shoes before going out. No dirty shoes. Say no to dirty shoes.
Second on the list is the shaggy or ill-fitted jeans. It's a big no-no. So we can find the jeans doesn't fit you perfectly when the yoke is very low or there's a big gap in the waist, wrinkles in the thighs. These will indicate the problem with the fittings. So it is really very important to find the perfect pair of jeans that fits your body type. And this is the biggest mistake we often do. We wear something which is not according to our body, and we go easily in the crowd. So this is one of the mistake I feel. We need to figure out the perfect pair of jeans. So guys, say no to wrinkled clothes. Like no matter how much in a hurry you are, say no to wrinkled clothes, because that will just destroy you.
Looking at wrinkled clothes in general doesn't looks good at all, but coming up to the button down shirt, wrinkled shirt looks the worst. It is really important for us when we are investing in a shirt, try to opt for a good quality ones, because they will last long also, and they will give you more of a classy look.
So this fashion mistake which I have figured out very recently and I really wanted to share with you guys is this wearing a black footwear with a nude or a basic white color dressing thing, because what I feel like that destroys the entire look, because it will attract attention towards your leg, which is popping out in the entire your color thing. So it is better when you're wearing a nude clothing, try to pair it, try to keep your footwear nude or neutral to your dressing sense. That will enhance your look and give it you a more classy and a trendy kind of a thing. Talking about purse and bag, it is very simple, like carrying a sling bag for a brunch or a clutch for a night out or a big bag for a shopping is the key to it. And the next, in my opinion, is wearing a white inner inside a white t-shirt or a white like wearing a white camisole, because that will show the stitch line, and it's a big fashion mishap in my opinion. One more thing, wearing a white inner or a camisole under a white or sheer fabric kind of a top, this will show the stitch line, and instead of preferring a white inner or a camisole, try to opt for a nude ones, so which will look better. Girls, you can't go out with your discolored nails. For me, if your outfit is put together, makeup is on point, and you have fabulous handbag, and your shoes look great, but you have got terrible discolored nail painted, so then it doesn't look good and it brings down the entire look. So what's really important is paying attention towards your nail before stepping out. And the fourth fashion mistake which I've seen many women making is just wearing too much accessories or not wearing any. So according to me, the problem comes in when you wear a chunky necklace and pair them with the same kind of earring. That is way too much. If you are wearing a bold pair of earring, then skip the necklace. Or if you're wearing a statement neck piece, then skip the earring. I think go for a classy minimal kind of piece of like going for a classy and a minimal piece of jewelry, and you are just set to go. So some people prefer not wearing any jewelry at all. However, I think jewelries are something which are like kind of icing on a cake. Ending this video on this note, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.